Unfreaking real, dude. I swear to God, I don't get it. I don't know how they sell it for this much, dude. I don't understand. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Man, we are hitting this thing hard, you guys. I didn't even record the process because I'm not gonna lie, it's first time using this product and I wanted to try for myself. And after I just used it, I mean, literally, we just finished up. And I wanted to make this review video because I am dumbfounded, amazed, all the above with this product. I mean, this stuff is so inexpensive and great quality. Like, is no way that they sell it for this cheap, like for this much money. Like this Raptor stuff right here, you guys, it is the absolute best thing I've ever bought, and probably from Amazon. Straight from Amazon, you guys. This kit is roughly, I mean, just barely $200, I think, something like that for the actual kit, you know. And not to mention, they give you the actual gun. Like, they give you the gun you're gonna need, the hardener, everything, all the bottles included. The bottles directly screw into this guy. Obviously you need a compressor, right? You're definitely gonna need a compressor, a mask, you know, PPE, all that good stuff. Not to mention prepping that guy, like prepping the floor. Obviously we had this whole floor sandblasted and everything. We took everything off, we seam sealed everything again. But I am just amazed with the overall finish. I mean, just look at it, you guys. I am just like dumbfounded. Like I said, it's like 200 bucks, maybe a little bit more, if that, like with taxes and stuff, shipped to your door. Like, I've been using this other stuff, the undercoating, rubberized undercoating that you just buy in cans and you just spray, you know. Even the lizard stuff, I've used that stuff, and I've never seen such a good finish with how inexpensive this stuff is, man. I mean, this thing came out freaking amazing. Like, professional results, like unreal, like right out of the spray bottle, out of the can. Like I said, I don't even know what to say, because it should be more. It should be at least 500 bucks. Like, I would pay 500 bucks for this stuff. But I'm just saying, this is not a sponsorship or nothing like that, you guys. If you guys are looking for something for the underneath of the car, this is it. This is it. So I want to make sure you guys know, give you my 2 cents on this stuff. But yeah, but you guys can see we're moving right along with the project, you guys. Like I said, we had the whole thing sandblasted and everything, and now we seam sealed everything, and it is looking good, you guys. We are getting closer and closer on this build. But like I said, we got to peel all this stuff off, get everything cleaned up. Once again, dude, check that stuff out. I'll put down in the description though a link to this stuff, man. If you guys buy it from the link, it definitely helps the channel grow. But check it out, dude. Like I said, you cannot go wrong. It's super easy, stupid easy. They even give you the mixing cup. Like, the mixing cup is included, like all of it. Fill line, like, it's so dummy proof, it's not even funny. But it is good stuff. But just a quick video. You guys. I just wanted to give you my honest opinion, my 2 cents on this thing. It works. It's awesome. It's all the above. But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell for notifications. You guys already know. Stay wrenching.